Everyone, welcome to Mechanical Design Hub. Please subscribe my channel, latest mechanical design and job related course related videos. So let's go to our topic here. So today we are going to draw the simple sheet metal design for the hopper. Okay, we are going to design one hopper. So you have already seen that in the thumbnail. Please subscribe and like my video. After you can go through the drawing. Okay, so let's start our drawing. So at first you have to start from the part drawing. Then I am just changing the options. This is will be the unit change. I'm going to change the unit and also make it plain white. Okay, so there is the sheet metal option. You can find this sheet metal from this. Okay, go to the command manager. If you go to the customize or go for the sheet metal option, click here and you can find this workbench here. Okay, done. So when you can find the sheet metal, then go for the basic flange tab. So you have find them three planes. You have to first select the front plane. Okay, now we are going to draw one rectangle. That will be corner rectangle. Okay, and the distance and dimensions will be, this will be 100 millimeter, and sorry. This will be 100 millimeter and this will be 30 millimeter. Don't skip the video because in every section is very important, so don't skip the video. So let's see, we have just done this rectangle and exit sketch. When we exit sketch, we find this base flange option. This base flange option is the sheet metal parameter, that is the how much extrude or the depth will be there. You make it reverse direction so that it comes to inside, and K factor is the bend allowance, so always keep it 0.5 and this always keeping 0.5. Okay, so we have exclude this part. Then very okay. Now we have go to again for the edge flange option and select this edge and just drag it. And now here you have to understand two things. That first thing is that there is the, if we zoom here, that is the length. Okay, this is the length portion. There is the inside bend, then another is the outside bend. In this case I am going to apply the inside bend. Okay, this is more applicable. So you can find two things, that inside and outside. So according to your drawing you can change that. So this is the length will be 100 because it is going to, this is also 100, this is also 100. So please subscribe my channel and join our telegram group in the description below for latest updates. So here we can find that. Now go for again the edge flange option and drag it here. The same thing has been done. I just select this, the inside material, and the length will be 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter. Okay, let's, very good. Now just again go for the edge flange. In this video it is the very simple sheet metal design. So at first you have to make clear the concept about the sheet metal design. So this is a very informative and small video, please don't skip that. So this is the drawing. In this case I am going to give the length will be 98.5 millimeter. Okay, and that will be inside. Click here. You can see the main hopper part has been done. Now we have go again for the edge flange. This is the very basic video. Here we are going to cover the edge flange option. Okay, just select this end, select this, select all the edges. Okay, just select this. Please subscribe our channel and join from the Telegram group. Okay, because there I am just giving all the updates and different new videos also. This is the four parts I have just joined, and now there is just a twist. Okay, just don't skip. Please see, there is the angle, that is the 25 angle. Just see that in 25 angle it will be like that, and the length will be this is okay, and if is okay, the length will be 80. I just click here. You can see that there is a part, but there is some of the gap, because the in the sheet metal department, or in the sheet metal industry, this gap is very nominal. So but there is some of the gaps, so go for the previous drawing and make it inside, then the problem will be solved. Okay, that will be outside. Previously it was inside, now I am make it just outside. This is okay. This is the main part of the hopper. Then you have to go again for the H flange option. Just select these boundaries. Okay, just select these boundaries. Just select these boundaries, and if you make the angle 25 degree, then you can see that, and the length will be 25. No, the angle will be 90. Just 90. Oh, sorry. Is it? I think there is some of the problems, that angle became not 25. I should. Is it? I am make it again. Just make it again. Just select the inner bend, inner boundary. Okay. Okay. No. So this is making the inner boundary. Okay. Just if you make the edge and select the outer boundary, then if you make the 25 degree, this is okay. Let's see that. Now the length will be 25 and it will be outer. Make it outer. Length will be 25 and the angle would be 25. Okay, in this way just make the four parts here. You can see that here. Just select the flange edge, select outer part, the angle will be 25 and the length will be 30, or make it 25. Okay, just make it 25, and there are the two parts left. Just select this edge, the outer part, and this outer part, and this outer part. The angle will be 25. The angle will be 25 and the length will be 25. Oh my god, what's the problem here? The drawing became hang. Okay, please wait. Just select the outer edge and make it 25 and length will be 25. If you go for the again for the flange tool, just select the outer boundary and this will be 25 and the length will be 25. Okay, in this way we just make this hopper. Don't skip this video, I have to tell you the one extra tips. Please wait. This is going to be the hopper design. Okay, now you can make it unfold. Just click here flatten option, and in the flatten option you can just see that this view became the flattened view. Okay, and how you can just transfer it to 3D to 2D. Please don't skip. Okay, now see how to convert it 3D to 2D. Okay, just select here making drawing from the part assembly. At first you have to save it, that will be 8. Just go for the make drawing from the part assembly and select, I am select going to be sheet. Is the sheet format and it takes some of the time. Please wait, please don't skip because every knowledge is very important. Okay, now go for this flat pattern. Okay, and if you select the previous drawing and in the okay, just accept escape. In the previous drawing just make it unflatten and go for again in the this sheet drawing, and you can see, if you see here, this is the front and this is the front view. Okay, this is the bottom view. This is the isometric view actually, and this is the, let's make it accept. Just this is the front view, this is the bottom view, and just this is the bottom view. Okay, you can just bring all the views here. Let me delete that, and just I am going to make 3D to 2D and just give the smart dimension. If you make some of the dimensions here, you can just add some dimensions. You can write some of the letter here, then you can draw some the letter from here. So this is the main drawing. Please comment below what type of sheet metal designs you want to the tutorial. Okay, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and just join to my telegram channel from the comment below. So this is going to be the simple hopper design. You can see that this is the simple hopper design in SolidWorks sheet metal. I am also providing some of the interesting sheet metal designs after that. So thank you all.